Hey, what's up? It's Ben here. So I personally like dividend stocks, and I definitely like to diversify to mitigate risk. And of course, I do research the companies before I buy stock. They gotta be big and they gotta be stable. I know there's people out there who don't know much about the stock market or just confused on what to buy because there's a lot of noise out there. Everyone could be telling you to buy this or buy that, and I get it. It's a little overwhelming. And if the stock price does increase, do you take profit now, or do you wait longer to see if you can make more money? Or what if it goes down 10%? Do you still hold, or do you take the L? Like, I get it, it's frustrating, especially when you're investing in something that you don't know. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so please don't take this as an investment advice. I'm just stating my opinion here. So with that being said, if I didn't know too much about the stock market or how the companies are doing, it's just like throwing a dart to see where it lands, and that would be the stock I'm buying. And that's like gambling. But what if I told you there's a guy that invests in multiple companies, that is a value investor, and decades after decades, its stock price has been going up, and you can hire him for free and he'll manage everything for you. This is not going to be an ETF or mutual fund where there's a fee you have to pay. This is going to be one company, and it has a good track record already. You've probably heard his name before, and it's Warren Buffett. He's the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. He has a net worth of over $70 billion, and he made his fortune just investing. Now, wouldn't it be a great idea just to mirror what he is doing and invest like him? You can, and you wouldn't have to do much. The easiest way to just be like him is to own shares of his company, ticker symbol BRK.A or BRK.B. Either Class A or Class B, they move the same way. The only difference is that its price per share. Class A price is around $270,000 per share, and Class B price is around $180 per share. If you don't have that much to invest in, BRK.B is probably an ideal way to start. Now, why is this a good stock to invest in? First of all, you have a multi-billionaire picking and investing companies for you. We're probably not that smart, so why not have someone else that's smarter do it for you? Second of all, the current portfolio that he has is diversify. It's almost like a mutual fund. He has investments in the financial sector, tech companies, consumer goods, communication, and many more, totaling a little over 40 different companies. That alone helps mitigate risk. And lastly, because he's Warren Buffett, he's able to do private deals to get better returns for his investors, and that's why he's so successful. And that's why a lot of investors and hedge fund managers look up to Warren Buffett. He's the guy. But you have to consider one thing. Like any type of investment, there's risk. And I'm giving you both sides of the story. Warren Buffett is old, getting up to the 90s mark. I don't want anything bad to happen to him, but if anything happens to him, the stock price will dip. But it doesn't mean that it's not going to be profitable anymore. Remember, the company is already diversified with mature companies. I'm sure he has someone in mind to cover for him to take the reign if anything happens. I mean, how hard is it to manage a multi-billion-dollar company? I'm kidding, but let me know what you guys think. If you had to choose one stock, would Berkshire Hathaway be your go-to stock choice for retirement? And as always, if you like this video, feel free to give it a like and maybe consider subscribing as I talk more money-related topics. I'll catch y'all later.